Mass is ended. Let us stay in the peace of Christ.
Our dear rector and your dear wife, the teaching and non-teaching, upon reaching this far, congratulations to you all.
Thank you.
Our colleagues, from what the choir for animating us so nicely as usual. I bring the greetings of Father Sema Davich, who is not here with us, our chaplain, because of.
I use this word professional because it is in the theme of today. My dear professionals, you are beyond just a professional, knowledge and skills to deliver services. You are an ambassador of God to bring healing to the people who need it. You are ambassador of God because we can develop medicine of all sorts, but we are not the healers. God permits the healing to take place. We do our part. So it is like we participate with all the medicine, or with all the care, the health care that we bring to patients. We do our best, but God effects the healing. And that is what we get out of this school. St.Francis.
All stand up. Let us all stand up.
So in company with the choir of may give back to the glory of your name through Christ. I give you thanks, Lord God, Almighty and
Wonderful Mass we have had today. Before we conclude, in the interest of time, we are going to have 3 photos to take place. Then the second one will be the governing council, and after that we shall have another one with the full staff. We shall have only that in the interest of time. Thank you so much. Our director and the wife, please.
Marisa, we share the name. I now invite the MC of the day. As he comes, I thank